Alrighty, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So it is a beautiful, beautiful day out here in Florida, and we're going to be installing the TST Industries sequential LED turn signal brake light. And this is going to be tied into also the LED license plate light that we have. So as you can see here in the box right here, we have the TST Industries smoked. I went and got the smoked option. Smoke turn signal, smoke tail light. Check this out in the daylight. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous. Looks good. So what we're going to do is we're going to be removing the factory tail light to the sequential smoke tail light. Something like that. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And then along with that, along with the brake light, you get the wiring kit that adapts straight into it. And then also got a cool TST peg stand for the kickstand. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the bike now. And then I have my crimps that are going to go into the, oh no, that's not my crimps. Those are screws. But also have the crimps for the LED license plate light that are going to tie straight into the wiring harness so we can get that bad boy on the road, street legal, able to ride at night. Let's get into this install. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and take the seat off. Okay, and then we need to identify where the plug wire is for the tail light. So as you can see, it's going to be this plug right here. Go ahead and unclip this bad boy. However you do that, push these tabs in. Okay, take it off that little clip right there. So go ahead and disconnect this connector right here, and then let's get on to the rest of the install. Okay, being that I already have the fender eliminator, I went ahead and dropped it down. You're going to remove, there's a tab right here. You want to go ahead and remove that, get that free. And there's another clip right here that you want to remove. See if I can get a good angle on it. There's a clip right here that you want to undo. That's going to let this harness come free. So we're going to push up from the bottom and let it unzip and allow this wire to come free from the rear brake light. Okay, once you get this clip out, there's two little tabs right here. You just push those in, boom, she comes right out. And then we're going to feed this wire under this sub tray right here, and then you need to remove these two 10mm bolts. Super simple. Feed this wire throughout here, get it free, and then remove these two 10mm bolts. All right, we got the two 10mm removed. You're going to get a flathead screwdriver, get behind these washers, and then what you're going to do is we're going to reuse these washers for the new tail light itself. So be careful when you pry these off not to lose them. And then now the tail light should be free. I'm going to apply a little pressure on both these sides and go ahead and remove the tail light itself. And just like that, the tail light is now out and removed. All right, the next step is I took the new tail light and then made sure I, fished the wire through here, and then make sure these two tabs line up in here. And what you're going to do is you're going to reuse the two washers, and then TST provides you two screws. This is going to replace the 10mm bolts that you removed. So go ahead and put your washer on this, and then we're going to zap this to the tail light itself. All right, next, once you have everything fastened and secured, you're going to take the factory harness that they supply with the tail light, and we're literally just going to plug it straight in, just like so. You're going to hear that click. We're going to bring this harness over here. We're going to go under this tray right here along the subframe, and then along with that, this is the signal wire plug that we took out for the actual fender eliminator for the turn signals. And this one is going to go from where we just disconnected on the driver's side, the right hand side that is. So I'll give you a look. went ahead and connected this green to green. This signal is going to go here, and then we're going to wire in our license plate light to the 12 volt positive and negative. And then we're going to take this under the battery tray and connect this one under there just like that. So once I get it done, I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so this is how I wired everything. We got this plug over here for the tail light is over here. Then I got it out under next to our flasher resistor, which we need to connect that back to there. Then I got it, this one routed down and below, clipped into here, and then we have our 12 volt here, and then here is where we're going to make the connection with the plugs that they provided, which are right here for the license plate light. I'll show you how to do that now. If you are not installing the LED license plate light, you can go ahead and skip through the video because you're not going to be doing this. Okay, so the next part, off the camera, I did the positive. So what you're going to want to do is, there is a loop inside of this cap right here. See if I can get it to focus. You're going to take that. It's going to be hard to do and film. You're going to take this, bend it in and around the plastic side. If I could get this to go in right. I'll show you once I get it routed through. Okay, so off camera, as you can see, I completed the loop. I had to cut back a little bit of the shrink wrap, but you're going to take the other end and you're going to cap it. What it's going to do is it's going to pinch that wire. Get that nice and tight. We're going to take this cap off here, okay, and take the ground, feed the ground through here. See, the wire is exposed, just like that. And you're going to take this piece and you're going to twist it in there, not like that. Well, you get the point, right? Okay, I was able to get it done, so let's take the first look at the new tail light. Looking pretty good. And as you can see, the LED license plate light is now on. Let's go ahead and turn the turn signals on. Damn, that looks good. And let's do the right. Oh, mate, she's looking good. She's nice and bright, even in the daylight. Great product, TST. Let's get everything buttoned up, and we'll get the bike in the garage in a true dark setting and see exactly what this bad boy is going to look like, all buttoned up. Voila, everything is now buttoned back up. Go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Sheesh! Looking good. Big shout out to TST Industries for making awesome products. Simple plug and play. Absolutely love this thing. Let's once again look at the turn signals. I mean, even in broad daylight, that looks amazing. And so does the LED license plate light. Feel right. All right. I think that looks super cool. All right, let's clean up our mess, wheel this thing in the garage, and see what she looks like in a dark area. I'm super excited. I know this thing is going to look pretty sweet. Once again, thanks TST Industries. All right, let's go ahead and wheel this bad boy in the garage so we can get a nighttime look at it. Simulated nighttime, that is. Turn this bad boy on. Oh yeah, that is plenty bright. Let's go ahead and do the turn signal. Here's the left. There's the right. Yeah, that thing looks amazing. The LED license plate is a lot brighter than what I thought it was going to be. I think that looks freaking amazing. So there you have it. That's how you install the sequential tail light turn signals for the 2022 Honda Grom. Like, I can't say enough thanks again TST Industries for making some awesome products. not only do you make awesome products, but they're all plug and play, and you guys have great instructional videos. So with that being said, I think this bike is perfect for any kid that wants to learn how to ride, any adult or a father-son project. This bike is super easy to work on, super cheap to modify, but yeah, absolutely love this thing. We have some we have a rear shock coming. We're going to redo the front springs as well. I ordered 2 sets of rear springs, and whichever one, I'm going to be doing a giveaway also, so when that video comes, make sure you stay tuned for that. I will be giving away a rear suspension for the 2022 Honda Grom. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. I'm about to go take the bike for a nice little ride. It is 80 degrees outside, and there's a nice little breeze, so I'm going to take advantage of that. But if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big like, and make sure you comment down below. I try to get to every comment that I can, and I love seeing the likes on the video. So let's go take the bike for a ride.